The Symbio 700, baby. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if y'all can grasp this with me here. Let me try and find a spot where you can see the phone better. So, one active alarm. Discharge air temperature. Like, I've torn this thing high and dry, there's not one. So we're going to go down into the settings down here. You click settings, you scroll down, and here's your sensors. So it says discharge sensor installed. So we need to come up to the top, hit edit. Boy, that door about knocked me in the head there. She's swinging rapidly. I'm gonna scroll all the way down right here. So we're gonna go not installed. And that's a beautiful thing. Save the changes up there. And that should take care of that alarm.